much GH. We did go say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tampo. Mbrembren. Won me nka mo ni hwɛ too much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire. Me dey the Isaac Kodwampo.
Akwa Basronko and come out Sabre too much GH. Nana Amma Owusua enemy day not to say. If you say to dia na your trending issues and a mede ebesomo. Ebusia for Akwese Afik 2020 Akwa very eventful at the full of suspense. They be that any asemfo fra esi ewo eye omayi emu. Na fia chate ya coronavirus and what tete e dey betu nipa so ebiam to ewu mpofum wu akofo ewu atese tichu so efra atese enim se nke ye ben afi na wie ye elections in the ke dwen hu na atese ye so de ko be ni aye dadwe na campaign kokko so ye kote openi pa ka enim se wono ka e ko ye fit and ko be che openi owo fia wetime tu polafo na the elections to be akoboko na eye meka ade afa former president John Jerry Rawlings home yet the kwati so a no so last week pe wonu so etimi ahwere ne kwa ya mate se Ghana akwese bibia aye basa ade am wo man mu na ye ponke no ko NC na ye nwenwe ho kakra enche ye she na botu ya so a special prosecutor aye no se wo man mu kata hye de proye poni a koso wo mpanifo mu won kwa citizen vigilante Emma Ghana wono so to de nakade egu wo de adwuma no ato Mr. Martin Amidu the resignation letter akoma mampani nini emu no mampani so ohun de onye ohun de onka fa asem ne nyama na bro no so ninti de obeya ne se wo be di atum na odi tum so anche watafo bi de esi na nemu na tete de no ase bi akọ entem so show so na sa na no na magana fo kasa bebe ba ni emu no mo kasa se den kra ye be bi ensebeni e wa hase bi akyerase ne yakọ ensem mu ankasa ninti wo hwe me pa dia ne ye krado se enkobo wo mu bi nti adwenkyerɛ bia no obaba modia na wo di atudwa wo ye live chat no emu na ene day me wo eye nana osei tutu ankasa wo hasa wo ye national communication member of the NDC do say wo join NDC mu na so no bra bia wo nsem ni mu na tabe wa ye krado se wo di betudwa de asome ninti buame na ye ma no Akwa Basronko osei tutu bibi aboko
Amenhwe da so
ye de bade ase we de Akwa Basronko pan ye de akoso wo man ebra ye bom se ne ya ben abatwo just aka ben 16 days we pe me ya ben ba akwese afi we nkwa ensem boboto ase de ba kusi na wo kan na bakwa beti afem na esisi sa boboto sa je ba ene akoso afi we mu dey how would you describe the year
Cha ashefo say ya say ya we be measure cha Rollins nipa bia
no correct
for that but the Rollins they too sad to lose a father like that who really say so be yarda wa na ofi wa be say no operate maybe Rollins here 3 days for in your office committee say still I remember Ghana for the
okay yeah that's why did no new no arrogant we are still in the morning mood nothing near mono one mention ya ko moment yemfa no exit check near share Rollins woni mu grab 1 week in plan so and now special prosecutor you say citizen vigilante the resignation letter ever in these times aka class ye koto aba eno so kakra ben no betimi aka fam
Martin Amidu is supposed to be independent.
No correct.
He's supposed to be a non-partisan appointee. And she no time no ni one say wa resign.
Onim time no.
So me Martin me Nana Akufo and I have doing see elections. Martin Amidu do minister of elections or no elections.
And to when he said of all the time he had from a year since 10th January 2018, our appointment, basically yeah, a few way on the 12th, the 12th November now roll it on the 16th of November 2020. Now who says Abraham is after all that month I was staying in office. This time no and a good time for you to go.
The fact is what's appointed 10th January 2018.
2018.
The Japan is always only 10th November 2020. We were the fact is 22 years. We were
2 years for Pepe.
And we think it's not right.
You think it's right? Like the timing is right?
There is nothing wrong with time. I don't see timing in this one. Why now, Martin? I'm going to be busy now. Say, Martin, we need IG on the electoral commissioner. It is a walk to one banner. Say, no man call him and no resign. It doesn't concern him, and I don't see anything wrong with him resigning. But so, I knew he was going to get here.
You knew he was going to get there. I didn't tell him say I was going to get there.
There was no way. You can't investigate corruption. You can't investigate corruption. You understand? As in, the person who appointed you is corrupt.
Hey.
Yes. And how do you investigate a watchman who himself is a chief? How does he arrest chiefs when they come to the house?
Hey. What's my okay there? I said, oh, Castle.
My dear, Mindim Sebesi. I mean, Sebesi. I knew it was going to happen, and I have gotten there.
You knew it was going to happen, and I have gotten there. Fine. What I can see, so say, how do you?
You can't investigate corruption.
Yes, you can't.
The person himself is corrupt. The person who appointed you is corrupt. How do you investigate your master who is corrupt? You have to leave the job.
Wait, I got said Kimati Rollins in the comment to be a buyer and being okay.
Kimati comment, but then
look at the offensive job that a yak or say or the two
dozen. Said, but tell me to be resigning. Meeting October baby.
October, that's a Bosumi Chemuka.
Yes, and on 2nd November, I wrote it on my Facebook wall. Say, but now me to be resigning because of a Japadi. And I got a whole lot of bashing. And it has come to pass because not yet, not in the course.
Okay, you're right, and Commander. So, say, or resigning because of the person who appointed him is corrupt.
The system that appointed him, the system.
Okay.
The president, the people around him, his party.
And for 2 years, we won't start again until now. And I said,
my dear,
explain it.
Machamidu made attempts. But then before Machamidu was your friend cash for seat.
Excavators case in also by.
Nina and another clear will be involved.
A one of the in the news, sir.
Cash for seat is because or say was setting up committee or one clear chief Alan Martin and Kofo. The bar Pius Energy, the deputy minister then for sports, the current deputy minister for information. And what's a side go for so Domoko Australia? Omunye mu so we mu. Domoko Australia, where passport man you say on pass no. What's what clear Pius? PDS scandal. What clear will be and Matiamidu cannot function well because the Matiamidu have known for years until Mount Clear go for. So he said, I want to investigate the Japadi, and the Japadi know who are involved. It's encompasses people we are very close to the president, including the president council, Kenoporiata, now finance minister. Kabia Sorochina, president for Basi is involved. And you want to investigate no mean people like this, and you think the president will allow you to investigate? No, so you have to resign.
So why would he appoint him in the first place? Say if I not only said they will get that point.
Nanabu was thinking it was for vendetta. He thought say NDC for every risk because that was how he came to power. We are corrupt. Disika Obaye say. So he came to appoint Martin Amidu, thinking that Martin Amidu will come and jail NDC people. Now they have no evidence to that effect. So the next thing that you do is what? Is to start investigating your own. And when he started investigating his own, what happened? He was prevented. The man no man Panya Juma, why redundant to office. Only the also. So you have to be better for them.
Same way, very tricky, because why would I select somebody and put him in a position? I mean, me myself know that position.
Nanado, I do the appointing Martin be different from their own people. He thought Martin was coming to go after NDC people and public servants are.
But say he knew he had foreknowledge, sir, on your partisan. He's not going to.
Thank you.
Okay.
Martin Amidu went after his own people. Wayomi and Co. Wayomi's money was paid when Martin Amidu was an attorney general. You know that. You know that.
Yes.
But Wayomi came after Martin Amidu. Since Martin Amidu came after Wayomi. And to the extent that they have done Wayomi properties to retrieve the money for the state. And so that should tell you the kind of person Martin Amidu is. Now say I've been through also. Or say this is what I want to investigate. This is where you investigate Airbus. You want to direct them. Martin Amidu is not somebody you can just dribble. He won't accept it.
He won't accept it.
No.
Then you see, what effect do you think say a bit the resignation no be nya yeah party no so NPP party.
I don't want us to narrow this to NDC NPP.
Okay. It's a shame for the nation.
Yes. And the president who came campaigning on corruption, anti-corruption, human rights, and the rest. And then what happened to special prosecutor? Your boy in Samama. What money banana? The case also going investigating involves your brother and what fasting now the person resigns because of that. Very shameful. It is not about elections. It is about the system. Very shameful.
Now they say NDC are gone, NPP so are gone. They both have corruption cases. NDC happens to say bad branding saga wo yet boss saga ibi yet be NDC happens. So
what happened? Bad branding, people were made to refund the money. It is the money that the state needs. And now go jail will be known. What effect? Say Obi ko Sisaganeska. And the top Tesano prestige estate now jail no enjoy. What is the benefit? People were paid to refund the money. But one corruption case, just one. I see what before Rabbi one. But you have to do that. If you also no
DFA Football Association scandal. So or you got
what did Kwesi Nyantakyi do?
He was investigated. So court case. So
what did Kwesi Nyantakyi do? So was Kwesi Nyantakyi to kwai. Wakoye say the president is in my pocket. Wanka. What's Kwesi Nyantakyi he got involved in trying say one obi na investigate and only say nas. But so I will do this, I will get you contract. The difference is that Kwesi Nyantakyi did not go and see government money. What I say? Kwesi Nyantakyi is not a government appointee. Kwesi Nyantakyi a football association. A partisan. It has got nothing to do with government.
Okay.
And so when you Kwesi Nyantakyi, the ethics of his profession, of his office, and a chain is saying. So he was asked by FIFA. He was banned by FIFA. Ghana government has been prosecute Kwesi Nyantakyi.
Now, okay, even if you fear no so crampa, galam say, excavators.
Where are the excavators?
Excavators,
so where are the excavators?
But the minister that was mentioned was named, so I understand or resign here.
Minister where?
Oh.
People watching is still at post. He is the minister for environment. Nebakan, he is still at post. He is still at post, my dear. This is the extent. That is why I told you, you can't investigate corruption.
Okay, no problem. New special prosecutor here. What taking Mr. Martin Amidu in position for Madam Cynthia Lampe. Oyobia koye Mr. Martin Amidu. The deputy special prosecutor. The deputy I don't know. Now Mr. Amidu actual resignation letter no dey to just say mami anyone no move for the years ye nti omo kaye omo djumedie they have been working and they have not been paid. I said they work man. Now all this made unknown and they be so many independence, so many office no operation, so many independence, so many freedom. Now for him to resign, now there's a space no position better bear. Now man Benny Epe another person to take place. Near before as deputy no admission. Does it mean say Mr. Martin Amidu the problems are voicing out in the resignation letter? No, it wasn't as real because say Mr. affecting me. Why would I take the position? That back can because I was also part of the whole organization. Make us say okay. So the Penica we didn't have freedom. We didn't have the independence to operate, and we're not paid. So why would I accept it? I didn't think I'm accepting position.
I mean, why director of public prosecutions?
Yes.
What him say?
What
him say? Every government of the day has a hand in who becomes the DPP. What him say?
Yeah.
Okay. So that should tell you where the woman belongs. Nanado will not appoint Martin Amidu, who is supposed to be an outsider, and who appointing deputy who is also independent. No, he will appoint his party person as your deputy. And so when you are even dying and you are talking about it, the party person will be quiet. You get it?
And who purchased said the woman knows what is happening there and she has been silent about it because
do you need Martin Amidu to tell you that they are suffering over there? You don't need Martin Amidu to tell you. Do you need Martin Amidu to tell you he's a woman independent? Why is Martin Amidu talking about the Japa and the MPP and the government are not responding to and no matter Martin Amidu can? Why are they quiet? Their response was just shallow. Why are they quiet? The one said I wanted to investigate and Japa, you said no. Something happened on the 12th of November and on 12th of October. And you, the national security, you are the national security chairperson. You, the president. And so I fear for my life. So I've left your door for you. What happened? You understand me? What happened? People are just picking and choosing the issue. No. Let us go into the matter. Matiamidu, again is here. Again is here. Or investigating a Japan. A Japan, one with the year actors. Can overreact. The company data bank, the company enterprise insurance, the offer say Occupy Ghana MPP is and command. The offer say Gabia Saroti Nago law firm. And you want to investigate this. And Yama Okran more investigating. He leaves. The deputy there, she will take up that appointment. You know why? Because she is MPP.
But do you have any proof that you're MPP?
My dear, I am telling you that special prosecutor Yentuama. You understand me?
Yes.
Yentuama, a government appointment. And the president of the day appoints. You think the president will just go and appoint anybody like that?
That's not appointing Martin Amidu.
That should tell you that he thought Martin Amidu was coming to chase NDC people, not MPP people. Martin Amidu has now left the good books of the president because Martin Amidu wants to work. The president, the vindictive Nanado that we all know, thought Martin Amidu was coming to punish and chase NDC people. And for 2 years, he has not gotten a bed in NDC to arrest. And he has sent his guns on them.
Now, Martin Amidu na Munejumedi or Shasenia, it was all of talk. They be complaints, talking about this. And for somebody, Amuji say he's able to fight on one party member now to come and take a position or the Kasangwana. Without the things say on I say
now or the Kasangwana. Did the government of the day respond to Martin Amidu like this? And some of the guys don't respond to that.
Oh, I think so. One of those when be on the bar and say so he docket information here with here no one. Attorney General replied him so everything has been made available to me. Everything he needs no.
She's the problem. The Attorney General is even the problem. When Martin Amidu was appointed, she was complaining. Said a duplication of duties. I am telling you that people in MPP were not happy with that Martin Amidu's appointment. I'm telling you.
And so, okay, good. It was not for the party's sake. He appointed. It was for the government, the whole nation.
The party is a vehicle. Okay. So you just cannot come and be appointed outsiders.
And now, Opa said, you're pregnant. You mistake by appointing Mr. Martin.
No. He thought Martin Amidu was coming to prosecute NDC. So that employee said, how
do you know what he was thinking?
My dear, that is what has happened now. That is what has happened now. Who is a NDC? Say, time Airbus has a buy. Anna Martin Amidu can before
yeah, kasa about government official one.
So allow Matiamidu to work. Allow him to work. Allow him to work. Now you have not allowed the man to work. And he's investigating the man. And you are just disturbing the man left and right. Allow him to work. Allow him to investigate the man.
Who was disturbing him? He make it that.
What did Matiamidu say? He said the president prevented him from investigating the Japan, and we knew it. We knew it. Matiamidu, let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
One secret thing. Matiamidu was interviewed about police ago. Have you what audio? When he said that nobody should push him. Nobody should push him. National security for Ebonifie or Motata. Then he knows the people. And I called the national security minister Kanaba, did not pay. And so I called the former national security minister to tell him to talk to them. They shouldn't push me.
Asemno emwa ehu odi fegina ho mame ye nwan mo bi abeka ye ho wo ye comment section no ehu be hia se me welcome mo nso amade nche no hia ye expose GH I say first to be here today and welcome Songopa Enko Emma one am say good evening to my GH glossy I say hello I'm here one also be or the about say Mr. Martin knew what he was doing, that is why he didn't accept his pay. He was just delaying the NPP party just to make their purpose of fighting corruption not to come through. Mebacho felu too, Tim. Yebeka wants him. Or say Mr. Martin knew what he was doing. That is why he didn't accept his pay. He was just delaying the NPP party just to make their purpose of fighting corruption not to come true. Glossy BM say Ghana is full of Kululu people. Star Black also say what shows that this lady can do the work. See, even a man couldn't do it. Glossy I say more fire. Star Black I say presenter more fire. Star Black I say Martin Amidu was being controlled by both NPP and NDC. The man is really coward, as JM said. Glossy I say the new special prosecutor is perfect and appropriate person for the job. Mr. Martin Amidu smells something fishy. Maybe he has plans of becoming a president. Isaac Odai or say, I don't think this man knows what he was talking about. Glossy or say, how can Madam Cynthia accept to be the special prosecutor for now while her boss stepped down? Something is not clear here. And Star Black is so as a true Mr. Isaac Odai so the DM about say thanks bro Star that is say one more Edward come out ever say na ye din chaso come am say ma pomode na ma de ma dwenche e di aba momo modi ana mon share on all the social media platforms dey intimi enya enkomode no wano ades no eba na say enkomo no call wano sa na me sa ba osubiru one of the commenters no one na dwenche dey say Mr. Martin Amidu no onim di hoye enti oba ye kra e ma ni pay o se menye oje kra po fa ni sanka enti abenti na we adwuma na echa so kana unfa ni onye
those who are talking like this don't know Martin.
And then Mr. Martin Amidu
I have worked with Martin Amidu.
You have worked with him?
Yes, I know Martin Amidu, but I'm telling you, say Martin Amidu is a very principled person.
Okay.
He did not touch the money because now idea also the year my 1 2. Let me tell you something, and I'm telling our viewers to go and investigate. Martin Amidu asked for investigators, and you know what happened. He was given investigators from another state institution. I don't want to mention, and also because he doesn't trust them. It's Yamano from a different state institution.
Ghana.
Yes.
Okay.
Ebia Yamano team A or say me no go they won't help with the fight of corruption.
Okay.
Then the president said no. When you decided to set up the OSP, I was a woman it's before you appoint somebody there. Nani Baribeko only investigators. Obeso invite you Obeso and in any case, obviously, Madam knew what he was doing. Nah.
As I was said, and what would delay that is? What did delay people out there? They almost say,
what was there for Madam to investigate? Apart from the
you have been given the position.
So
the law, the assassin sign or constitution.
You run after people who have not done anything.
No, the way I can answer there, you are focusing on the part say the president now say no now man position no he himself had problems. Now I your man position no mraka.
My dear,
wasn't it constituted?
It was. I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
You run after people who have not done anything.
No.
So what? One of them question.
We have been complaining about so many corruption cases.
When the president was saying those things in opposition, no evidence.
Said the airport so now one also the way no.
NDC person was jail before he appointed Martin Amidu in 2018. No, he did 2 years in office. One jail.
Now say Ghana I want to be sorry can obi. He has to go through process.
Thank you. So Martin Amidu cannot just wake up. Don't say he said Martin Amidu knew what he was doing. Now we're sorry I'm not confirmed better about BCC. No, I can't not because doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. You need me to doesn't work like that.
Okay.
It doesn't work like that. Now you appoint the man, allow the man to work, allow him to function, give him things that will make him work. Martin Amidu all finance and cash the salary because you say one day he will also be arrested for causing financial loss. Do you know why? So office will be anywhere. Now so I'm not going to which salary. Doesn't work like that. Is that how you should operate as a leader?
He himself was setting as an example for others.
Yes, sir. On your Juma, why should he take a salary?
Now, if you also can say, Kululu no address room, I say, and yet clear, the facts are not so clear, so you can see through. Because, for such a position, I have constituted a miracle that he has that freedom. I just obey the miracle because of immunity. So, be intimidated the position of the miracle only pay. Baby, say constituted. Maybe I will say
yes.
And it means mrabata.
Yes.
And if he's feeling say he's being intimidated and also feeling restrictions in the way of operational. Obviously, you so mrano. I know say he's also a lawyer.
What about Attorney General Department? What about that?
We go order.
Okay. Find out their state as workers.
Okay.
Yeah. Go and ask them how they are suffering to raise funds to function well. State institutions are not being taken care of in a mathematical form. That is a fact.
Okay. And even though it's constituted, no,
it is just on paper.
Okay.
It is just on paper, and it is not about the Buffalo. Government has gone out, government has come. We are just not interested in our institutions. That is what Obama told us. You saw American elections. They are done. Trump is opening. Nobody in America is talking. You know why?
Because the law works.
Yes, on 20th January, the system will take Trump out of the White House. The system. Joe Biden, the system will take you out of the White House. Because your wife, when you win elections in America, we're in the head of the White House. Because the fan is a 1 hour wait now.
Okay.
And now you say, America president, Ojia rent.
Ojia rent to White House.
White House or not. That is the system in America.
Okay.
You are paid well. You pay rent. 80 times so I am renting full salary.
Okay.
That to tell you, you are no more qualified to occupy this place. That is the institution that work. So what I say, we are not having it in Ghana. But now we do here, more born a chief, more we say, Joe can hear the brother. Ask them. My person now man academy winning. I am not even interested in that. My interest is what happened. What happened? I don't know what to resign. And he mentioned a Japanese specifically. I don't know Ghana for
He also talked about the Airbus scandal.
So why didn't you see Martin Amidu? People thought was going to drag Tom Mahama and go and kill him. No, Tom Mahama dead Martin Amidu. Okay.
He called him a coward crap.
Yes, because we know very well that Tom Mahama has not done anything wrong with the Airbus issue. So investigate him. Allow the president thinks that Martin Amidu should investigate Airbus. Allow him to investigate the Japan too. You will not allow him, but you want him to investigate Airbus. Also a giant man. That is all. Sintialamte no may investigate Airbus now.
Okay, then cause Sintialamte Esubium. Sintialamte was part of the special prosecutor the whole board, the setup. Now, boss, you were working hand in hand with your boss. Your boss thinks where we do know it will not help. You know, we resign here. Taking up that position, no pressure paying and evidence to see.
My dear, there are principal people on it. There are people who are not principal.
Okay.
Cynthia, within her right, if she qualifies to accept the position.
Okay.
I don't bear bodies. Any problem.
Okay.
I have not dealt with her before. I know her from afar. I've met her in court on several occasions. I don't have any problem with her. I think she's a fine person with my head, but the problem is, the point is, also people say, but the person made a mistake by saying that man, no, we trying to gender issues.
Okay.
So be or bad, no.
Tell me about gender.
Women have excelled, baby, I remember anything.
Okay.
So you don't just know, but the fact of the matter is, now you're Martin, what happened? And then your friend concerned BBC. You say, were you investigating the Japan? Who say yes? Are you going to continue to investigate the Japan with us? The president in appointing her should have told her to investigate the Japan deal. The president in appointing her, said to prove Platinum wrong, go and investigate Mama of Power, investigate the Japan deal. Because I don't know about Jamie, that's what they're doing.
And the whole Opachane said she should take up from where Mr. Martin and me do.
The president should have directed her. Do you know why? You need that political world to investigate the Japan. I am telling you.
What if Japan royalties know and yet a scandal? So now, yes,
why did the president then direct say he should go back to Parliament? If there is nothing wrong with it, why should he go back to Parliament? It has been approved by Parliament. That is why I work. It has been approved by Parliament.
Okay.
And so why do you say he should go back to Parliament if there is nothing wrong with that? If what Martin Abu is saying is not true, why should he go back to Parliament? Why?
Hey, Asemu, yes, you will be our Mabeka, one hour, Commando Emu. Mefa, I'll say, way free. Mr. Martin Amidu ended. Isaac Odai or say please if you don't know what you are talking about, go and sleep, okay? Watching you from Germany, Mucha. Okay, Star Black or say NDC members are fools. They are full of lies as their flag bearer. And won't enter a crap. Martin Amidu doesn't respect Nana Addo. Glossy was say Ghana is full of selfish people who only want their own benefits. Don't you think both NPP and NDC are all corrupt? Glossy was say Mr. Martin Amidu is working for NDC, true or false? Wait, also Star Black as I say Cynthia Lamte accepting the prosecutor position means Martin Amidu is coward and couldn't make decisions on his own. Isaac Odai so say this man is NDC. Star Black will say he's a disgrace. He's a disgrace to his family and the nation Ghana. Glossy will say her boss Martin Amidu was too straight and couldn't make the fight function well. So she have the chance to work now. Congratulations, Madam Cynthia. Edward Adomako will say assemble ba. Assemble na mechiamuni aso na yenhwe NDC this year I go for say Mr. Martin Amidu because of film hunting wo ye adwuma dem we true of us we dey say obi asem
or that man Martin Amidu ya NDC
so ye adwuma strategically say na be benefit mu the way by this time I will free aban mu there na say the
no fa banchi ade boy dey my dear
say the bio me kwa okono
Micro wine commercial for we Martin Amidu our resign doesn't concern Abdullah Otiwa only come to Ebiani only come to Ebiani what cause me like I just said health insurance we ma paracetamol this has got nothing to do what is going to happen moment say people have realized what we were saying say Martin Amidu will not be allowed to function. He will not be allowed they brought him to come and arrest these people. Now he wants to arrest his own people. And then I offer my bro.
just a corruption. I see it mean two or my one.
Because Nana don't know allow Matiamidu to investigate. He will not.
The time no time no ma appointing will be of it me take
NBC never said that no SMI appointed special prosecutor.
I tell my appointing.
My dear, you believe state institution say it should be allowed to function. Domanga jailed his own appointee, Abu Gafini, and now put it
I'm okay.
Yes. Nana should try one. Offer back on court. One. On track. Okay, everybody has McLean. Allow state institutions to function with McLean.
That's a young man of Claire. He organizes committees to
My
take charge of it.
What is the work of the police? What is the work of the BNI? What is the work of the Yoko? What is the work of national security? Allow them to work. Just like Platinum with woman and allow them to work. How can the president sit at the Blaster House? Whoever appointees, you set up a committee made up of your own appointees to investigate your own appointee and clear your own appointee. Who are police? Who are judge?
Na yenche Mrs. Cynthia Lamte yi our key position yi unim no from what you were saying you said unim is saying she's also good at what she does. Do you think that she can stand on non-partisan this position without looking at the party I was joining, whatever it is, the way she was appointed, straight for it. Okay. So who can say, who can say no? Say in this government any appointed no, and they be able to know a director of persecutions no. Now government we are no when it's a government we are so now appointed now they have 20 and tell me this out the same question.
And I make a choice.
Okay.
Who so say oral. Me who so oral.
Okay.
Me as no parliament as a research assistant.
Okay.
No civil society organization head. I'm NDC. Me fancy say NDC.
Okay. So what shall we share to class?
Yes, me NDC.
Okay.
And me fancy but since Talent to me was MPP t-shirt. But I know say she's MPP because she was appointed by a group. Listen to me. Put the whole system. Matiamidu is supposed to be independent. It's a free NDC. Then you have the deputy no party never.
I said she could be a neutral
person.
person.
MPP will sit down for a good to go and bring Matiamidu. And the deputies were outside and they won't agree. That is why I'm telling you.
How do you know what they will agree on or
My
what
dear,
they will
I
not
am a
agree on?
politician. We don't sit. This is a national TV. People are watching us worldwide. Unless people don't want to tell you the truth. I am a politician. You will sit down and win elections and go and appoint outsiders. It doesn't work like that.
Okay.
You understand me? Matiamidu was appointed because they thought he was going to kill NDC. And Anya with Cynthia Lamte, she was quiet. Obi say Matiamidu did not allow her to function. The president allowed Matiamidu to function. Now she should come and function. And Mr. Mikacho said, when she was appointed, the first thing I was expecting from the president, and he said, Madam, go and investigate the Japan team. Not Obia who said that Matiamidu can't work. Not until that time, Matiamidu is right.
Now, Matiamidu has one-sided, on no resignation letter not throw here. Our man Penny accepting one fan can say, I didn't allow you because of it. I don't know what can say president to friend for that reason. How we accept them? Will be idea to show someone you know have a catch and say to opportunity
they say
okay.
Go to my Facebook wall and check. November 2nd. It was a Monday. I said Matiamidu is going to resign because of a Japan, and he resigned because of the Japan. Where did I get it? Where did I get to? How did I get to? You thought I was just sitting down and I decided to go and write for it.
Because maybe you now run the shoes when we send out
no, we are in the system and we know what goes on.
Okay.
You expect the president to come and tell you something because money investigated Japan. Matiamidu say, Ken Okoriata, you came to my house that evening. What did you come to do then? Can't you come out and tell us it is not true? Now the presidency comes out and tells us they won't talk about Matiamidu again. You won't talk about him again. You think when you appointed them, the matter will end, it will not end. It will not end.
It is somewhere there from.
There is no way NDC will come to power and the Japan will fly. Whoever is involved in the Japan will be killed. I'm telling you. Oh dear, mad to it.
I'm also making more special prosecutor.
We are not going to work with special prosecutor or Sichalante or whatever. We are going to work with state institutions, including Yoko, including the police, including BNI and Attorney General Department, including Sichalante herself.
It will dissolve that position.
No, it is now a constitutional issue. And your bride here, Duma, appoint a special prosecutor. But the problem with this whole appointment is that what are the Panama away? What I say? They are the way to the Nisaka, they don't to be Panasaka. When this is just fake, you just come and appoint them. So I told you not say, or say police workman, or where is the workman, or say I want to investigate the Japan. And in any case, my dear, the Attorney General wrote a memo and warned them, said this will create problems. This will create problems. The Attorney General wrote a memo before the thing went to Parliament. And when people are not into politics, they just want to talk. Let me tell you something. When you have majority in Parliament, you should be working along lines. You can't sit in Parliament and these cars are also now it doesn't work like that. The system no as a traitor. You understand me? And so if MPP agrees that we are going to do this, the executive says this, Parliament, that is why they want minority chief. Their duty is to make sure members follow what the government wants to do. You understand me? There was one way a Japan left fly. But in any case, I'll ask you this. Can you say, why did the president direct that a Japan comes back to Japan? So we are okay. Let us go ahead.
Mr. Martin, Amidu, I investigate you. Or didn't find this a better point. So if find this because now President Tinubu said they be okay, this thing has to be talked about again. What is wrong with it? Because say you want the man. What's wrong with it?
Let's assume say they won't come in our let's assume that say why is the president saying it should come back? Because only what man is saying is true.
And yes, the one or no say or one the position say special prosecutor and why investigating who said that there are some loophole in this deal. And what the other two jack. And as the president, the head of state, who said, I appointed him for this reason. And if he has noticed something like this, and then he means this thing is not as I saw it. So let it come back to Parliament.
So now believe Martin has worked.
He has worked. So in his work now, no done. He's not done with it. He's not done with the investigation.
He has worked.
He is not done. He has not. I say work done, not work not completed. It's not done. You can start something.
And Martin is saying that you did not allow me to function well. Because when I told you about the Japan deal, because of the people involved, the little that Martin did, also a man come back to Parliament. Why didn't you allow him to investigate and prosecute people? And yet, when you make an attempt to kill somebody, you can be jailed.
When you make an attempt to kill somebody, it's against the law, attempted murder.
So when you make an attempt to defraud the state, that intent, you can be jailed. And so allow the man to prosecute people and stop saying he should go back to Parliament. In any case, I call Parliament, you have the majority in Parliament. So it won't change anything. The same Parliament that approved it, what are they going to do? What new are they going to do? You see where Martin is coming from. Allow him to investigate the people and prosecute the people. Also, no, stop it. Let me take it back to Parliament. Martin knows you have the majority in Parliament. When he goes, the same thinking at Japan, he will come back.
Okay. Few comments about few you say. Glossy, they say Mr. Martin Amidu resigned from Attorney General and again Special Prosecutor too. Why? Or maybe the NDC party threatening him to step down. Me sure party threatening him to step down. Obisa Assembly said, Mr. Martin ya Attorney General, Watana office order. Well, you hear the Juma and with that to and you be found the share Special Prosecutor. Almost to a Juma no way, yes, whom we also at every time you are with the Juma to
Uncle investigations. Martin is the longest serving deputy attorney general in the
it will be the Juma and with
the longest serving deputy attorney general in Ghana. You should go and find out. You should go and find out. From 1982 to 2000, no a deputy attorney general. PNDC, deputy secretary for attorney general. NDC one, NDC Rollins. He was the deputy attorney to over that someone. You should go and find out.
Okay, so if he is an NDC faithful, and I said, but I said, no, also, as I just said, they threatened him to step down. They have charge over him.
How can NDC threaten you, Martin Amidu to step down? You know Martin Amidu.
He is part of the NDC.
Those talking, you don't know Martin Amidu. Martin Amidu fell out with the NDC in 2016. He campaigned against Mama openly. He went after NDC openly in Ghana. Why did everybody appoint him? Everybody thought that Martin Amidu was angry with the NDC. They thought about appointing him to the NDC for, and he did not work. Obi NDC in the He's arrest. He wants to arrest his own people, and they are fighting him now. That is why I told you.
On my view, I say this NDC man attitude towards Martin Amidu shows that the NDC party hates him and are behind his step down.
You see, you one person will say we threaten the man to step down. Now you are saying we hate them.
Now, the man so who threaten Obia? It's not a pleasurable thing.
My dear.
Okay.
How does Martin Amidu's appointment affect NDC? It doesn't affect NDC. Your mama called him a coward and dared him to possibility. You know why? You know why? Your mama knows he has not done anything.
Okay.
Maybe two way. If you are buying 2016, you invite him in 2016. Because we will be happy. About to be anymore. About 5 years anymore. Who you buy money? My mama cannot stop you from being possibility. What I say? And you know, yeah, when they appointed Martin Amidu, we told them that this man, it will not fly. You know why? Because we knew Nana Addo would never allow him to function. And the Martin Amidu we have all worked with. We will not say now. Probably they can control Sichanante, not Martin Amidu.
Okay, come on, go on, kind, but Brent, so as I were ya finity, as I never converted me who said, and it is here, in this times, 16 days to election. What would this change of position to be a few no be far better one? How would it affect the elections?
It has got no bearing on the elections. I was rather thinking, say, like a president don't and that is what I was saying.
Say it to me labor. It's the position, it to me labor.
How? 16 days. 16 days. What is standard thing? You just create problem for the woman who was 16 days. You have only 16 days to determine your fate. You understand?
Okay.
And then you did not even, you just come and appoint Martin Amidu's deputy. When it tells you that the MPP and Sichanante were working against Martin Amidu.
This is a new allegation now.
Yes, an allegation. Let me tell you something. No boss here, man. O boss will chant him. Say your investigation is here. Now your boss resigns and go and take over. Naturally. Let's be very honest with ourselves as human beings. So we need the Ekosuna Mbia. Now boss resign here. Near disappointment now. There is nowhere I just say when your boss leaves in political appointment, you should take over.
And I say you will be not say you will be power. Mukrama buying former president Professor Atamos or we and some
the Ghana Constitution says that when the president dies, the vice president becomes a president.
Constitution. And if you are a member of parliament, your own spouse is me. No, who are one more is that
taking over political party decision.
Okay. And no, also Nyembra.
The political party decision said MPP before transfer from an election. And your political party arrangement. Ghana maybe amount and say Obi will anything over.
And what if she qualifies for that position? Say,
I am not saying.
Okay.
I told you, I'm not saying the woman doesn't qualify.
Okay.
I am saying that I suspect the woman has a hand in the frustration of Martin Amidu. Because for Martin Amidu to resign and the woman taking over, I suspect she had a hand in frustrating Martin Amidu.
Okay, so if it's my boss and I say I'm resigning, but if I have the capability, I know I can do the job. Now,
it is not about capability, it is about what happened for your boss to leave.
What happened is say you enjoy a car, there's no independence.
And so the woman is saying what Martin Amidu was saying is not true.
That's what it says now. Because say if it was the same.
So why did she keep quiet then?
That's why your deputy there, you are not a spokesman.
Martin Amidu say,
okay.
For your own integrity. I am telling you that the woman had a hand because no yeah for 20 Martinami to do a few. The president thought that Martinami was coming to do something for them. 1 year. And this is what is happening. This is what is happening. Oba Juma no money so ba be no. What here and Oba chair this for me. Me aka say this for na NDC na Nigeria. But I need my NDC be am over. On my sika. And Jamie the Martinami go nya prepare so investigate. So nya Juma. Every for say no mo bodachi. And one nya Juma. And one better go do man sika. And one nya Juma was me Juma. So back people. E japa. Go yin dey.
Omu yinedi, what's that is asem no? Omu yinedi say. He resigned.
They will frustrate you. And no man frustrate now about Jamie going through.
And he is a coward. If frustration will cause you to leave your job.
He said the president is the chairman of the National Security Council. You understand that? You understand that? When the president is the chairman of the National Security Council and he says don't do something and you go and do it, do you understand? Do you know the implications?
He says security there, but it's on Bible, on my now, Bible,
yes, essence. I'm not saying HIV here. Now, national security, never also by no one. Also, national security is anyway. No, I wouldn't want to happen to you.
If the president wanted to eliminate Mr. Martinami, no, but somehow you're insinuating that he's in charge of the national security. You're insinuating that.
No, I am saying that the president Martinami said that you are the president, you are the chairman of the national security council. Something happened on October 12th, and I fear for my life.
What does it mean?
Whoever are asking the president, why are we quiet over that portion? Why are we quiet as Ghanaians? Everything is possible in African politics. Why are we quiet? Why other than that portion? No, nobody wants to talk about it. You know, people shouldn't play. We shouldn't be emotional about Martinami's issues. People don't know the damage it is causing Ghana. Special prosecutor, they are watching this. Because they come out and sorry, I don't know what resign. Problem. But one linking to the particular. If we are seeing artists, Ghana for 8 more. And who are the actors? Who fancy any what you say? And the Martinami is sad here now. And before come once and none of his work, yet that time it is my resign. And the president is not speaking to that. Your interest is quickly going appoint. Let the woman come and investigate and let's any Airbus.
Okay, we will live to see though. We'll find out where the come on the ACNS. We'll find out where our better one can't do that. No better me. I can.
Maybe I will so urge the president to put pressure to direct the woman to investigate the Jabati. The baby one image as a president. Not very well one image as a president, but I want to assure Ghanaians, I want to assure the whole world that when NDC comes to power, by 10 December, then they declare this as the next government. When NDC comes to power, we investigate Japan and add many other things. We will not come and sleep over Japan. My dear, I know my party will win elections. Why should I sit on TV and take our lose elections? When I'm in the system, maybe you're gonna have you. And I know what is going on. And when a party is going to use elections, I know. Because I've followed elections for so many years. When there is the mood for change is in the system, I know.
Okay, until who feels that the mood for a change in our system?
He himself knows that. But there's also if you man up, he knows he's losing the elections. He knows.
I was here for a seminar day. If you were pan, if you saw a woman, and any ya fancy, it was here and a day, national so a day arrive. Beside Eddie and she with him. Now, some never corner. So, won't subscribe here for more Diana, subscribe and if you must know. Follow you on all the social media platforms Instagram and Twitter. At too much age _ Facebook so too much GH. Nana ama obiswa anything. Nana day mene or set nana or say to 2 and then no esikunya edinkomo na woye national communication member edema NDC amani go ni edinkomo edifa Mr. Martin Amidu the resignation no any evidence on the latest appointment of any deputy as acting special prosecutor na enkomo no ye di esia ne sa na me aduma ye be di esia bi makram. Okay, thank you so much.
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for Ashefo Etie onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so e na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na da bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH Kra. Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for Ashefo Etie onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na